Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain comparison operator, that is topic number 3.8.4. Why comparison operator needs? Comparison operator are used to compare two values and return true or false. Comparison operator क्या करते हैं? दो वैल्यू को कंपेयर करते हैं और उसके रिजल्ट के तौर पर वो हमें ट्रू रिजल्ट करते हैं और या फिर फॉल्स रिटर्न करते हैं। ठीक है, तो इसको देखते हुए आगे हम फंक्शनैलिटी परफॉर्म करते हैं कि ट्रू के केस में हमने क्या करना है और फॉल्स के केस में हमने क्या करना है। These are used in, suppose these are the examples: login authentication, making decision in program on if, elif and else statement. इन सब में हम ये कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं। Example scenario: suppose when you enter your mobile or system password, what happen? System compare typed password with stored password. If both passwords are matched, then it will open a screenshot, then it will open a dashboard, or you can say login successfully. If they do not match, system asks to re-enter or try it again. The decisions depends on comparison operators. किस पे decision depend करता है? Comparison operator पे। वो compare करता है और देखता है कि if values are both are same, then it will give you true statement, otherwise it will return false statement. Comparison operator में क्या आता है? डबल इक्वल आता है। ठीक है, अगर जो सिंगल इक्वल यूज करते हैं ना, अगर मैं सिंगल इक्वल यूज करता हूं तो दिस इज कॉल्ड असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर। इसमें हम वैल्यू असाइन करते हैं। जैसे मैं कहता हूं ना a इक्वल टू 10, तो इसका मतलब ये है 10 इज असाइंड टू बी वेरिएबल a। मैं 10 वैल्यू a को दे रहा हूं। ठीक है, ये असाइनमेंट स्टेटमेंट होती है। और मैं अगर कहता हूं ना a इक्वल टू 10, तो मैं इनका कंपैरिजन कर रहा हूं। मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये वैल्यू इक्वल है इस वैल्यू के। अगर ये इक्वल होगी तो इसका क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? ट्रू मिलेगा, अदरवाइज इट विल रिटर्न फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। डबल इक्वल इज इक्वल टू, नॉट इक्वल टू, एंड ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन इक्वल टू, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, और लेस देन इक्वल टू. These are the comparison operator, and these are binary operators. Why we will say binary operator? Because if I am writing greater than, equal to, and left side I will write only one operand. You cannot solve this one. A greater than equal to for what? Until you will write another variable on the right side. It means for the evaluation of comparison operator, you must provide two operand. That's why we can say these are binary operator. Need two operands for the evaluation, for the getting the solution of these operators. In this case, suppose take an example: x equal to 10, y equal to 5. Then x equal to y, because value of x is 10, 10 equal to 5, then it will return false statement. Next value is written 10 is not equal to y, y means 5. 10 is not equal to 5. Yes, this is true. That's why it will give you true statement. Next, 10 is greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5. Yes, it will return true statement. Next, 10 is less than 5. No, 10 is not less than 5. It will return false statement. Okay, so you can see that this will return only one value, maybe true or maybe false. Example: login check. Save password. Suppose you have saved password with this string 1 2 3 4. Type password, you will type one password here, and if type password equal to save password, then it will shows print login successful, otherwise it will shows print wrong password, try it again. Okay, ये प्रोग्राम क्या करेगा, आपके सेव पासवर्ड को मैच करेगा आपके एंटर्ड पासवर्ड के साथ. इफ बोथ आर इक्वल देन इट विल गिव यू login successful. Grading system. In case of grading system, suppose marks equal to 85. If marks greater than equal to 50, then it will return pass, else it will return fail statement. Okay, it means where you have used comparison operator, you have used comparison operator here. Okay, due to this comparison operator, we can say that whether we should print pass or fail. Multiple choice question 1. What does equal checks? Value present, equal values, add values, none. It will use to equal values. Multiple choice question number 2. What is the result of 7 is greater than 9? No, it will return false. Okay, because 7 is not greater than 9. Next, 5 is less than or equal to 5 returns, because 5 is not less than but equal, that it will shows that true. Okay, the true statement. Multiple choice question 4. Which operator check if values are not equal? This one, C, not equal to. Suppose if I will write A not equal to B, okay, for example value of A is 10, value of B is 3, then I'm writing 10 is not equal to 3, then it will return true statement. Okay, next question number 5. In login comparison, which operator is used? For login comparison, you must use equal sign, as I have shown you one example in which you are checking with the saved password and user entered password. These are the solutions. Next, I'm going to write program. Write a Python program to input two numbers from the user and display their sum, difference, and product. Write a Python program to input two numbers from the user and display their sum and difference and product. Okay, try to write this program. Write a Python program to input two numbers from the user and display their sum, difference, and product. We can use it direct. This is very simple program. I'm getting variable A and teacher and going to input, enter the number, enter the first number, enter the first number, and same way I'm going to enter the second number. Control C, Control V for the second number, and this is my second number. Okay, now what I need to do? Two numbers from the user and display their sum. How can I get sum equal to A plus B? Okay, here you are using assignment operator. A plus B, that is sum, difference, diff equal to, better you can write S, because sum is built-in keyword. Mean user defined is not, we cannot use this one. This one is keyword or resolve word, sum. Difference, A minus B, that is the difference. And then product equal to A multiplied by B. Okay, now I want to display the value. Print sum equal to comma variable sum S, and then I'm copy paste print statement two times, Control C, Control V, and then Control V. Next I want to show difference. I'm writing difference, and difference is in variable diff. Next I need to print product in variable PRD. Okay, when I'm going to run the program, it will shows me the sum and difference of this C, comma product, run. Okay, enter the first number. Enter the first number. First number is 24. Second number is 8. Now it shows me sum equal to 32, difference is 16, and product of A and B equal to 192. Okay, next we move to next program. Write a Python program to check whether the entered number is even or odd. Okay, they will check that whether number is entered, number is even or odd. Okay, what you will write first? Entered number is even or odd. When number is even, when number is odd. If number is divisible by 2, we can say even. If number is not divisible by 2, we can say that is odd. For example, here you are getting number n equal to integer, and here you are giving a message input, enter the number, okay, and after this you are writing r equal to n percentage 2. Why I'm getting percentage 2? For example, if you are going to enter number 7, 2 divided by 3, they will give you 6, remainder is 1. I am getting value of remaining value. If you have entered number 10, 10 divided by 2, 5 2s are 10. Now remainder is 0. In this case 0. Okay, I will check what is in R. Now I will write if R equal to 0, it means number is, you can write print number is even. Okay, number is even. And else print if number is not, R is not equal to 0, it means that will be 1. And in case of 1, it will display number is odd. Okay, this program is used to show the number is entered, number is even or odd. Okay, I will write the same program here. In this case, what I will do, I'm getting variable n, enter the number, okay, and then I'm taking r. You can take r or any other variable. R equal to n divided by 2, and you will get the remainder. And after this, you will check that if r equal to 0, then it will display print. You can display print n is, n means that you have entered the number n is even. Okay, otherwise it will display else print n is odd. Control C, Control V, and I'm going to display message odd. Okay, I'm going to run the program. Check how many errors. No errors. Enter the number. I'm going to number 40. It shows me 40 is even number. Okay, now I'm going to run it again. When I will run it again, now I'm going to enter 51. It shows me 51 is an odd number. Okay, clear? Move to the next. Program number 3, write a Python program to take a password as input and display login successfully if password matches 1, 2, 3, 4, otherwise display access is denied. What you will do, as I have given this program example, this saved password is 1, 2, 3, 4, typed password, enter password, and then if typed password equal to save password, then it will display login successful, otherwise it will show print wrong password. Okay, student,